Sí. Hola, Joel.
Vacation? Well, if you would take a zero, I don't think it.
Hello, Elijah. Where's Brian today? Oh, Swagro. Hello, Amy. Please look at the note that I wrote you in the chat, Amy. Okay. Hola, Elizabeth. Hello, Carl. Hello, Devon. Hi, Nina. I want a job cleaning mirrors. It's something I can really see myself doing. What grades did the pirate get on his report card? 7 C's. How do you make a tissue dance? Put a little boogie in it. How did Ebenezer Scrooge win the football game? The ghost of Christmas passed. Did you hear about the mediocre restaurant on the moon? It has great food, but no atmosphere. What kinds of pictures do hermit crabs take? Shelfies. What do you get a man with a heart of a lion? A lifetime ban from the zoo. What do you call a person with a briefcase in a tree? A branch manager. Why did the baby cookie cry? Because its mother was a wafer so long. What's the difference between an alligator and a crocodile? One you'll see later, the other you'll see in a while. There you go. All righty. Today we're going to do some more with some circles. All right, circles. So, oh, really? I didn't want that to happen. Of course, that's happening. All right. Hold on a second. Huh, there we go. That was strange. Okay. So, let me do this. Remember, last week we talked about this. If you have an angle inside a circle, right? And this is, say, 30 degrees, the angle. Then the arc is 60 degrees. Double it, right? And then if you have an arc that is, say, 106 degrees. What's the angle? Well, the angle, you take half, right? 53 degrees. Right? Okay. That's all we're doing today. That's all we're doing today. Take a look. Find the measure of the arc indicated, okay? So here, what have you got? we're looking at this angle is 95 degrees, right? So I want to know what this arc equals. If you have the angle, what do you do to find the arc? You double it, right? So what is 95 times 2? If you don't know, you go to your handy dandy calculator, type 95 times 2, and what do you get? You get 190 degrees. Easy, right? Okay. Uh-oh. What about this? Okay. Well, I want to know the measure of this angle right here. Okay. Would you agree that I have this arc? Right? This is 100 and this is 96. What do I do with those two numbers? Add them together. 196. So if that entire yellow arc is 196 degrees, what's the measure of the angle? Take 196, divide by 2. You get 98. Easy, right? Okay. Whoa. What's all this noise? All right. What I want you to do today is to get rid of the distractions, meaning, all right, I have this angle here. This angle is 56 degrees. Okay. And I want to know what this arc is. Your job is to, in your mind, get rid of these distractions. What distractions am I talking about? I don't need this. Right? I don't need this. I don't need this. I don't need this. I just want to focus on this. I don't even need the letters. I don't need that letter. I don't need this letter. I don't need this letter. I don't even need this letter. Okay. All I need to do is focus on this. Okay. If I have the angle, how do I find the arc? I double it, right? What is 56 times 2? 56 times 2 is 112. There you go. All right, once again, I have this angle here. I want to know what this arc is. No, I'm sorry. I have this, I have the arc. I want to know what the angle is. What is this angle? Right? What do? I take 150 divided by 2, half. What's half of 150? 75 degrees. Easy, right? Can I have a thumbs up, please, if you understand what I'm doing? You're good. Can I have a thumbs up? Thank you, Elijah. Devon, thank you. Nina, thank you. Akeem, thank you. Thank you, Amy. Very good. All right. All right, look at that. All right. Once again, just get rid of the distractions. Only focus on this angle. Right here. This angle is 35. So I just double it to get the arc, right? 35 times 2 is 70. Done. Easy. How about here? Get rid of the distractions. Just focus on this angle here. This angle here is 40. So what's the arc? Double it. 80. Easy. All right. In this case, I have the arc. But I want to know what the angle is. So I have to take half, right? What's the arc? What's 60 plus 86? 60 plus 86 is 146. What's half of 146? 73 degrees. Easy, man. Easy like Sunday morning. Take it easy. Take it easy. Drive me crazy. All right. Once again, here is my angle. What's the arc? If I have the angle to find the arc, I got to double it, right? Okay. What's 37 times 2? $74 degrees. Right? Not so painful. Okay. I have 32 degrees here. That's the angle. How do I find the arc? Double it. 32 times 2, 64 degrees. Use your calculator if you want. You don't have a calculator? Use the one on your computer. What's 45 times 2? 90. Easy. Here it says, what is arc YW? That means I need to know what the arc is from Y to W. That's all right. If this angle is 77, what's the arc? Double it. 154. Okay. Here I have the arc. If I have the arc, what's the angle? Take half. What's 140 divided by 2? 70. Right? Okay. What about this? Who knows what's the measure of an entire circle? How many degrees is an entire circle? Can someone put it in the chat? What's the how many degrees in an entire circle? Thank you, Nina. Good job. 360 degrees makes up an entire circle, right? So here, if this piece here is 148 and this piece here is 82, then what's left? Right? Well, first of all, what is 148 plus 82? $230, right? So the yellow arc is 230 degrees. What am I going to do? I'm going to take 360 minus 230. What's that? 360 minus 230 is 130. So this blue arc is 130 degrees. All right. What's the angle? All I got to do is take half. What's half of 130? On your calculator, 130 divided by 2. What do you get? 65 degrees. Okay. This one's interesting. All right. So here, this is interesting. Here, from W to U to Q, sorry, from W to Q, right? That's going to be 148, right? 148. And check this, all right? This pink one from V to X, from V to X, that's going to be 162. Why? Because it's 81 times 2, right? So what the heck is this green piece right here? Does it make sense that that green piece is 162 minus 102? Does it make sense that this green piece is 60? Okay. Now, if I know that this blue piece here is 148, how do I figure out just this yellow piece right here? How can I get just that piece? I have to do 148 minus the 60. Okay. 148 minus the 60 gives me 88. Easy. Now, do you see how this guy right here goes through the center? The dot represents the center. That is the center right there. If it goes through the center, that means that this here, this yellow arc is 180 degrees, right? Half circle is 180, right? 360 divided by 2 is 180. Okay. So if this piece right here is 98 degrees, this piece is 98, well then what's this piece going to be? Isn't that red piece going to be 180 minus 98? Take your handy dandy calculator. 180 minus 98 gives you 82. This here is 82. Oh, that's not my answer though. That's not my answer. Why isn't it that my answer? Because I need this angle. What's that angle? That angle is half of 82. What's half of 82? 41. Why did I write 40? It's 41. Okay? All right, there you go. Okay. So one step at a time, one step at a time. Okay. If this here is 115 and I double 115, doesn't that give me 230 degrees? 230 degrees goes from here all the way to here, okay? All right. Which means if this piece here is 130, doesn't that mean this piece here, right, is 230 minus 130, which is 100, right? Okay. So now, what is 100 plus 130? 100 plus 130 plus 60. That's going to be 290 degrees. Okay. I want to know what this arc is. This arc is going to be my 360. 360 is the entire circle minus all the rest added together is 290. Which means what's left is 70. So this here is 70. Right? So now I want to know this angle right here. This angle. So I got 100 plus 70 is 170. So I got to take half of 170. What's 170 divided by 2? 85. That's my answer. 85. Okay. So on your assignment today, I need you to look, all right? If you ever have this situation, this here is 180 degrees if it goes through the center. See how this segment goes through the center? That makes this blue thing 180. Okay. See again? This segment goes through the center, meaning this segment, this arc is 180. Okay. Here, look. This segment goes through the center, making this arc here 180. Okay. All right. Really? Huh. This is confusing. Can I have a thumbs up if this is confusing? Okay. Okay. Let me try some, let me try. Let me ask you this. Let me just ask you this. Do you understand that this is 180 degrees? Does that make sense? All right. Do you understand that this is 180 degrees? That entire blue arc is 180 degrees, right? Okay. And this blue arc is 180 degrees, right? So let me talk about this for a second. If this blue arc is 180 degrees, all right, and this arc here is 78, right? Does it make sense that this green arc right here is going to be 180 minus 78, or 102? Does it make sense that this arc here is 102? Does that make sense? Elijah, thank you. Devon, thank you. Okay. So that arc is 102, all right? Now, I'm going to get rid of the distractions, okay? That arc, I'm just going to leave this arc is 102. All right. Getting rid of this. Okay. And all I want is to know the measure of this angle right here. This angle. Isn't that angle right there half of the green arc? Isn't that angle half the green arc? Yes. That angle is going to be 51 degrees. 102 divided by 2. Okay. Did that make sense? Thank you, Devon. Thank you, Elijah. Thank you, Nina. Very good. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Here, once again, okay? Now, that blue arc is 180. Does it make sense that this yellow piece right here, this yellow piece is going to be 180 minus 76, right? That yellow piece is going to be 104, okay? I'm going to get rid of the distractions. This yellow piece is 104. And all I want is this angle right here. That angle is going to be half of 104. What's half of 104? 52. Can I have a thumbs up if that makes sense? Thank you, Elijah. Thank you, Nina. Thank you, Devon. All right. Let me do one more. Here's another 180 degrees. This guy is 100. Which means I want to know what this guy is, this green one. Isn't that green one going to be 180 minus 100? Isn't that green arc going to be 180? Just 80. Here's 80. I'm going to get rid of the distractions. Okay. All I want is this arc, this angle. What's half of 80? 40, right? Easy, man. Okay. So here's what I want to do. All right. Okay. Click on that link. It's only 12 quick problems. Okay. 12 quick problems. If you get stumped, ask me a question, okay? If you get stumped, ask me a question. All right. So you guys in the room here are gonna have to log on and click on that link. So you can click on the link in your grade book, right? I will be right back. Go ahead, Duan. Okay. Yeah, Misa. Hold on. So, right, you have the angle, you want the arc there. Don't you just double the 50? Right? Okay. Hang on a second, Misa. All right, here, we'll take a couple of pictures, Misa. Here's 1 through 6 on the first page. Seven through 12. And then one through 6. Seven and 8. 7 and 9. I mean. You got it. No, I mean, I meant to say you're welcome. Yes, Karen, go for it. Okay. Karen, I'm gonna share my screen. It'll be easier. Hold on a second. Okay, so here, do you see? You know what? Hold on a second. All right, Karen. Would you agree that this here goes through the center, right? Meaning that wait a second. Okay, here. This here is 180 degrees. Are you okay with that, Karen? Karen?
Yes, mister, I'm okay with that.
Okay, so if this piece here, this piece here is 92, right? That means that this piece here has to be 180 minus 92, right? You good with that much? Karen,
Okay,
okay. So what's 180 minus 92? Well, that's gonna be 88, okay? But I
Okay.
want this guy, so I gotta take half of 88 to get that guy. And I'm gonna leave that to you. Okay?
I need to find the half of 88.
Yes, but please don't say out loud what that is. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Amy, do you have any questions? Okay. All right, Amy. All right. So if this angle is 119, Elijah, how do I find the arc that goes all the way around here? Do you know what to do? This is a one-step problem.
I don't know what it is.
Okay. The problem is saying that what is, yeah, what is this arc? Okay, so we have this angle. So you remember in a circle. If the angle, remember if this was 30 degrees, and I said that this arc here was 60 degrees, right? Yes, Elijah?
Uh,
Same thing. Here, the angle is 119. What's the arc? What do you have to do with 119?
timed it.
What did I do? What did I do with 30 degrees in order to get 60 degrees?
You doubled it.
So what am I gonna do with 119 degrees to get this?
You double.
Thank you. Do you understand why?
Kind.
Look, over here, here's the angle, here's the arc. Over here, here's the angle. Here's the arc. Same thing. It's the same exact problem, just a wider angle. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, Karen, have a good day. Say no to drugs. Yes. Okay, Carl, have a good day. Say no to drugs. I'm actually gonna end today's meeting. All right, make sure you get your work done. Have a good day. Say no to drugs.